Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to install Roger's Xfinity app on Firestick, download, sign in and fix not available. To install the Roger's Xfinity Stream app on your Amazon Fire Stick, you must download it from the official Amazon App Store, link your TV via 6-digit activation code, and ensure your Fire Stick meets the minimum Fire OS requirements. First, how to download and install. From the Fire Stick home screen, navigate to the magnifying glass icon or select Find/Apps. In it, type Roger's Xfinity Stream using the on-screen keyboard to search for the app. Now click on the official Red Rogers Xfinity Stream app and select Get or Download. Once complete, choose Open to launch the interface. Now how to sign in and activate. First launch the app and select Sign in or Get Started to display a 6-digit activation code and a QR code on your TV screen. Now grab a secondary device like a smartphone or laptop and go to rogers.com/activate. Click on My Rogers or My Rogers Shaw. Then enter your My Rogers or My Rogers Shaw credentials and enter the 6-digit code shown on your Fire Stick into the browser box and click Activate. Your TV will instantly refresh to display your live TV dashboard. Fix App not available or not compatible. Fix A Push from the Amazon desktop site. The internal Fire Stick App Store occasionally fails to index local geo-restricted apps. So open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to Amazon website and log in to the exact same Amazon account linked to your Fire Stick. In it, search for Rogers Xfinity Stream on the right-hand product options panel. Locate the Deliver to drop-down menu and select your targeted Fire Stick and click Deliver/Get App. The app will bypass the error block and download automatically on your TV. 6B. Check your Fire OS version. Older devices like the first or second generation Fire TV sticks running Fire OS 5 will show as completely incompatible. So go to Settings, in it go to My Fire TV, then tap About and click Check for updates to update your system firmware. Fix C. Account location and cache refresh. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, in it go to Manage installed applications and click Clear Cache and Clear Data. If it remains locked, go to your digital profile or Amazon's website under Manage Your Content and Devices and ensure your region is correctly set to Canada. Troubleshooting sign-in loops and crashes. The infinite login loop. If the activation screen gets stuck, sign out of the MyRogers payment app on your mobile phone before trying to authenticate the TV. Being signed into both apps simultaneously on the same network can block token distribution. VPN interference. Ensure your home network VPN or proxy is entirely disconnected or that the Rogers app is configured to use split tunneling. The video player will refuse to load streams if it registers an anonymous IP address. Network verification. Ensure your Fire Stick is connected directly to your in-home residential Rogers gateway network and not a public gateway, hotspot or neighbor's guest network. Thank you for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.